In this video, I will show you how to download Kali Linux ISO file. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. Search googlecali.org.
I start my day in silence. Where are my slippers? Where's my notebook?
Click download.
My dreams, write them down. Write down your dreams. Write down your dreams. Don't
Click
forget to
installer
write down
images.
your dreams.
Click installer.
More silence.
Download will be
More
started.
silence.
Complete
And now,
download. It depends your internet
It's time
speed.
to go.
If you do not know how to install Kali Linux OS,
My
in VirtualBox
journey to where
click
I'm
above my
going
icon.
is steady and still silent.